They say the 40th day is when a person's soul finally leaves earth and ascends to heaven. We say goodbye to Noy, but history will never. History will remember his bravery against China, the infrastructure he imagined, the economy he built, the international relationships he fostered, the bills he signed into law against all odds, his indifference to personal attacks. His presidency was a part of the Filipino story and proof again that we as a nation can overcome anything. PNoy brought a quiet dignity to his work at the palace. There was nothing vain about his presidency. He did what he said and said what he did, nothing more. The presidency was a job he had to do, and the only thing on his agenda was the Filipino people. I am grateful that he served us. He did the brave work of helping Filipinos plant the seed. Now, we are left with the responsibility to tend it, to grow it, to protect it, so that one day we might sit beneath and pick fruits from the branches of a tree Noy never got to see. Walang ginusto si Noy, kundi bumunga ang mga pangarap nating lahat. Kahit hindi siya makakalilim doon o hindi niya matitikman ang mga prutas. It has been 40 days since his death. I will always mourn our loss of PNoy, but I look to his life with much faith that we, the Filipino people, can in time turn the tree he grew into a forest, that we can sustain it, that we can make it live forever. Noy is an example of who we truly are as a people. And as he also believed all his life, the Filipino shall always overcome. We can make it possible again. For now, goodbye, my President. Goodbye, my friend. Maraming salamat.